Hey everyone, welcome to Cyberflux. Today I'm sharing how I'd approach learning coding if I could start from scratch. Let's dive in. Step 1. Pick one language and stick to it. Don't get overwhelmed by choices. I'd start with Python. It's versatile, beginner-friendly, and widely used. Focus on mastering one language before exploring others. Spend a month learning basics, variables, loops, conditionals, and functions. Step 2. Build small projects early. Theory is great, but coding is about doing. After learning the basics, I'd build simple projects like a calculator, a to-do list app, or a basic website. Use free resources like Codecademy or Free Codecamp for guided projects. This helps you apply what you learn and stay motivated. Step 3. Master problem solving with practice. Coding is problem solving. I'd use platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank to practice daily. Start with easy problems to build confidence, then tackle medium ones. Focus on understanding data structures like arrays, lists, and dictionaries early on. Step 4. Learn version control with Git. I'd learn Git and GitHub from the start. Version control is critical for real-world coding. Watch a quick tutorial on YouTube. There are tons of good ones. And practice pushing code to a GitHub repo. It's a skill employers love. Step 5. Join a community. Don't code alone. I'd join online communities like Reddit's Learn Programming or Discord coding groups. Ask questions, share your projects, and learn from others' mistakes. It's a game changer for staying motivated. Step 6. Study real-world code. I'd read open source projects on GitHub. Pick a simple project like a Python script or a small web app and study how it's built. This exposes you to professional code and teaches you best practices. Step 7. Focus on one big project. After 6 months, I'd pick a passion project, like a personal portfolio site or a simple game. This ties everything together and gives you something to show employers or clients. Document your progress. It's great for your resume. Step 8. Never stop learning. Tech moves fast. I dedicate an hour a week to learning new tools or frameworks, like Django for Python or React for web dev. Stay curious, but don't chase every shiny new thing. Stick to what aligns with your goals. That's my roadmap. It's practical, focused, and avoids overwhelm. If you want to support Cyberflux and join our community, check out our Patreon, link in the description. It helps us keep making content like this. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with your favorite coding tip, like this video, and subscribe for more tech content. See you next time.